Hello friends, the question is like this. By using the properties of definite integral, evaluate the integral sine to the power of 7x dx from the limit minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, now let us see how we are going to solve this question. First of all, we take this given definite integral and we assume that this is equal to I. Okay, now to solve this definite integral, we require a very important property of definite integral, and it is like this: fx dx from minus a to a. Okay, so we have been given a function fx. We have to integrate with respect to x, and the limits are minus a to a. Whatever is the upper limit, the negative of it is the lower limit, right? Then in this case, the value of this definite integral would be equal to twice fx dx from 0 to a when fx is an even function, and this would be equal to 0 when fx is an odd function. So if I know fx is an even function, I can write instead of this definite integral twice fx dx from 0 to a, and 0 if I get to know that fx is an odd function. Okay, to solve further, first of all, I assume that fx is equal to sine raised to the power of 7x. Okay, then f of minus x would be exactly equal to sine to the power of 7 of minus x, and because I know that sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x, so on simplifying the power of minus sine of x raised to the power of 7, I'm going to get this as equal to minus sine to the power of 7x. Okay, so you can see here that f of minus x is equal to minus sine to the power of 7x. So this is the value of fx. Sine to the power of 7x is equal to fx. So I can write here that f of minus x is equal to minus fx. So this confirms that this function fx is an odd function. Okay, now because fx is an odd function, therefore this definite integral I is equal to 0 by using this property that fx dx from minus a to a is equal to 0 when f of x is an odd function. So this is our required answer. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest update, subscribe and like the videos on these YouTube channels HSK Shiksha and Maths Help by HSK. Thank you.